Let's start Kdenlive. Some people ask me, let's say if I don't have DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro, how can I add color to the subtitles or change anything else? Let's say come back here, delete it, Control Home, come back. When I Shift S, open the subtitle, make it smaller. Here, show style options, change the font size to 30. Custom position, you can go to center or something, bottom center here. Just press this one, style options. If I type a bracket like this, then type BR and whatever 1, 2, 3, just move the cursor somewhere and you can see it goes to the next line. This is actually a code called line break. Let's say we put in another line break like this. In other words, you can do this in a certain caption. For example, come here, Shift S, and this is another caption. Because Kdenlive here under show style options, when you make changes, let's say font size 12 here, then you change all captions to the same font size. That is with the same style. If I go to center, this is also center. But if I want it to be like this, here shows 2 separate lines or even 3 lines. Then you need to use line break. You can add it when you write a program. Like I mentioned in a previous video, you can do that with a for loop. Feel free to watch that. I'm not going to go deep here. If you just want a quick solution, simply add it here ad hoc. Let's say I want a particular word in another color. How can we do that? I want the word text in yellow. If you can't recall the color hex code, simply search Kdenlive subtitle style. Just look up, because I don't always remember the color hex code. Let me see, style. There we go. There's something called SRT Markup style. You can change it. Font color, this one. Control C, copy it. Come here. For example, I just want the word text here. Let's say text 1, 2, 3, something like that. And it will look like this. It's now green, right? You see here, let me remove 1, 2, 3. Just pay attention to the HTML tag. The attribute is called font and then color. In short, look for the color. That's it for today.